Etie for nsɛm bi akɔso ɛwɔ Aboso kan ye ka Aboso kan ya wo bia nim sɛ Ghana has say two places yehu ne sɛ spare parts dealing ɛkɔso ɛwɔ hɔ pan ɛyɛ Aboso kan ɛna magazine ɛwɔ Kumasi Aboso kan ɛwɔ Nkran na sɛ nsɛm bi aba ɛkyerɛ sɛ some shops, a lot of shops, spare parts shops eja atom ɛwɔ Aboso kan ya wa nim sɛ eja semba dia. Not just people are losing their investment or not. Now, recently, Aboso kind of been in the news for MCA Nigeria for one more a spare part akasakasa buy. Now, sisi ana sa asem no ye nim bibi ko Dubai. I hope say one more dia kote. But sisi a de air ban say eja ato shops bi mu ewo Aboso Okai. Na initial assessment officials of National Disaster Management Organization aye Trinity a friend in Nadmo no womo aye initial assessment na womo initial assessment no womo ehun ne say de ekosi eja no nkrofobia na womo ehye worn out ties na tell say womo Aboso kan ho na womo workshops no womo wo ties womo ton ties na ties bi wo ho a eda ho a womo say tie we de asay nti occasionally ne de omo ya ne say ties na omunia ties na awo hosan wo mu hu se tie we de enye papa yentumi nton man microphobium no wo mo fa sa ties no na chese wo mo aka bom na wo mo ahye no into one of the things no na one of those things are wo mo ye no na ekose to ekose fire no say eja no spread the cause shops ekose the outbreak and no nsema eda na join news for any breaking news no na reporter wo call ho no ye fe no Faustina Safo on any joint news reporter will call her. Now eyewitnesses just a woman or omo ho wo mu the AC no. They now one more can say shops no they caught fire at about 4 p.m. That is Andre number 4 and say shops no ebimo eja etomu and by fire service 4 no one more by around by 5 into eja no tomu 4 no by 1 hour and a fire service 4 by na fire service 4 no so by no. They tried to battle the fire. It took them 2 good hours. Not to say a jano nene small. Until from 4 a jano shall say air by 7 because 5 and a fire service on the do and almost use 2 hours. Until by 7 not to say a jano and no abrase and no and then sema edaho. Now sisia the extent of damage it is yet to be assessed. I fancy ye be shame who say oh say na me way da ha ashe na me way da ha ashe na me way da ha ashe but the air by the same grofo ADR wo mo shops e wo Aboso kan ho no are ho sem e na aba wo mo AD are ho nti no ne nsem a e da but CCR there currently ye ka say the place has been currently cordoned off by the police not to say CCR there police for Emma will be a enko ho CCR wa wonim say akoy say BBC e wo baby a ye be ka say crime scene no just that we don't suspect say crime what you say but police for keep the place out of the reach of the public not to say will be and so be a ho at the moment because one more air assess the damage what you say one more assess no more who say the damage then the buy and I want the actual cost and me didn't can tell no and no then say nadmo for air can say ties now one more shame and no causes but police phone so obviously one be your investigations fire service phone so be your there na ya share JC and that currently the place has been cordoned and no say edaho because what share the number of employment a coso ewo eye Aboso kan ho obon say yes enye easy obe say enye easy na me pese me read the comments bi na me read the comments no show we na ya share the Ghana for can afa we ho ye we na emre wo ho am say another story be very funny story into no etie for me read the comment obi say Allah save us obi say God save us obi say Jesus have mercy obi so say God save my people obi also say oh God help Ghana obi also say we already have God we need leaders and then asema will be ganti in go focus oh nyame boy na and obi be ka say hwe nyame ne de ye won de da e leaders no na ye ni I don't know why Ghana de bibia no ye de leaders bibia ye de leaders chewa join e comment box ni mu Do you think this is a fault of our leaders? Because Ghana they now say they be near the leaders. Ebi wo ha yenti memufo na nkasa nso. E na trese ebia yanya ade ni ye. But esi ya na esi o mpanyifo na aye, esi ya na esi mpanyifo, menim se panyi bi na be shetai na. Because oh shetai a public place like this, it should tell you say ebe to me akose havoc. What you say meaning say penny bi na so be catch us say baby a wo shetai no enya. I just don't know. So omo ka say I mean we should call on our leaders. Now leaders now you say I don't know what the leaders are coming to do in this matter. But I'm trying to comment box. Obviously between 2013 and 2014, almost all the markets in Ghana were bent, including the central medical stores, by those who wanted power. Today they point fingers at innocent citizens when one fire occurs, because they thought what they did in opposition, those in opposition today will also do same. And only Asema will be Ekan. I just don't know. Ghana they be their politics. They will be Ekan. I say 2030. Some of kaya 2013 14 there. Senior na market session. It was too much. Sata na NDC for na also. And na one more here. Say the entire market na shishisa no. Almost so say opposition na etetre. Na we Ekan. We need Asema will be Ekan. I don't know why Ghana they be near the politics are be frame. Asema. But Montreal Madden, Ebimu Ekan say oh Ofusuan Pofo still blaming Ofusuan Pofo for some things. Ghana there Asem. But it's here for that's the matter on that. But let's go to another story. Now I saw this video. I think last 2 or 3 days. But because we are talking about markets. And we are talking about Aboso Kano. We also need to talk about Kwame Nkrumah Circle, because and also because Aboso Kano no. And also your big market in Ghana. Now brand bi akobo krono Kwame Nkrumah Circle. Now for the very first time I say me bought circle for Abaso, because normally no yenim say baby to say circle, baby to say Ashama Nima ukobo krono wo ho one thing wokosro eba fom ye bebo ni yekun. There have been cases a ebimokra ye de krono eto omo so ama ye bo omo ekun omo e bo circle ho no. Inti no wo mo che abrantie we say we ko wia wo bi phone. Minyante ye say wo bi iPhone e na wo ko wia ye. Wo mo che no e wo eye odo rice nchen ho no. The see and say nkrofo buy obi amfa ne nsa nka no. That's what I liked about this. The people really behaved very well. Obi amfa ne nsa nka no. Omo ampani am obi amfa ne nsa anka no na de omo ye ne say circle ho no. Gota kesie bi wo ho a etiefo wo hwe enwura e wo gota nim na etiefo nye easy. Na sa kronfo we yeyi na ta yeyi ne top. E na trese gota nim ye ma ne boedjuma. He abrante ne boedjuma ma afei na osun. O say aden. Me sure say ono obenya krankan kombebu na ekuno. Because any omo ma ni twitwi gota nim e de ne nsa titi gota nim no obum say abrante we so umu jano na wasanso ekobo kro no bioma na trese ni fiefo na eye no na eyade a yet say this is not the first time nkrofo bi e was circle ho ayo madwen said this is a way of punishment to a suspected thieves. What you say eno ne nsema ya te say nkrofo bi ayo madwen, but ye nkan say o ebia wo bia na ko wi na dia wo be ma wakoye we say o. And internal control because so see the circle you go the near chimney got up and be titi yam booming kume dabi. But what we are hearing is I mean what actually pertained in the past. See a better wabono. These people actually did a different thing. And I'm a bomb abaso, one more ye, one more bomb. I've seen a lot of people commending them on this particular act. Say, wait, dear, why because in your kai Major Mahama in Semno. Inti no eno ene nsema eda ho na abrante we wo twitwi gota ni na ebisa ne se ye fra osen o se ye fra no Kofi Yesu they say din eda o so kra wunsuro Kofi Yesu din da so Kofi Yesu din da so so bokro no, but he's also known as Guy eno ne nsema eda ho. Personally I was really happy with how they treated this guy. I was really happy. Got an idea, man. Timu. Afe no osu. Was say ma pa mo cho so amo be so do be fi mi still got na mo ma be na be se hye na nka omo nya odan na nka ba so omo bu kun wo nya yesi titi got mo out so wa pa omo cho into that's on that. If for Montreal, comment box, me that's it.